Wheeling University reported incredible financial progress, and by listening to their success story, you will learn essential business English vocabulary. Hello and welcome. This is an English story for intermediate learners. We will use slow and clear English to tell a true story about a university's amazing financial turnaround. This video will help you improve your listening skills and learn new vocabulary. First, you will hear the complete story in English. Then, we will review the story with both English and Spanish text on screen. After that, we will study key vocabulary words and a useful expression. Finally, we will test your understanding with some questions. Let's begin. In West Virginia, a significant meeting took place. The state's Higher Education Policy Commission, or HEPC, gathered to hear updates from various universities. For Wheeling University, a small private institution, this was a crucial moment. In recent years, the university had faced serious financial difficulties, including a declaration of financial exigency and a period of probation. Many people were worried about its future. The atmosphere in the meeting room was formal and serious as everyone waited for the report. Then, Wheeling University President Ginny R. Favid stood up to speak. Instead of presenting a story of struggle, she delivered a message of hope and success. She reported that the university had made remarkable financial progress. For the second year in a row, the university was operating with a budget surplus. This was incredible news, a complete turnaround from its previous situation. President Favid explained that this success was not an accident, but the result of a deliberate and strategic plan. She broke down the numbers for the commission. A key factor in this recovery was a significant increase in student enrollment. The university saw a 12% rise in new student numbers compared to the previous year. This growth brought more tuition revenue, which is vital for any educational institution. Furthermore, the university had launched a successful fundraising campaign, exceeding its initial goals. This showed that alumni and the community had renewed their faith and support in the university's mission. President Favid also highlighted the strategic decisions that led to this turnaround. The university administration had worked hard to control costs without sacrificing the quality of education. They introduced new, popular academic programs that attracted more students. They also strengthened partnerships with local businesses and the community, creating more opportunities for students and building a stronger support network. It was a comprehensive strategy that focused on both financial discipline and academic growth. The impact of this financial stability is huge. It means the university can invest more in its campus, its technology, and most importantly, its students. It provides security for the faculty and staff who work there. For the students, it means their degrees hold strong value and they can be proud of their alma mater. The positive report to the HEPC was not just about numbers, it was about securing the future of an important educational institution for generations to come. The commission members were visibly impressed, and the news brought a sense of relief and optimism. In West Virginia, a significant meeting took place. The state's Higher Education Policy Commission, or HEPC, gathered to hear updates. En West Virginia, tuvo lugar una reunión importante. La Comisión de Política de Educación Superior del Estado, OEPC, se reunió para escuchar informes. She reported that the university had made remarkable financial progress. For the second year in a row, the university was operating with a budget surplus. Informó que la universidad había logrado un progreso financiero notable. Por segundo año consecutivo, la universidad operaba con un superávit presupuestario. A key factor was a significant increase in student enrollment. The university launched a successful fundraising campaign. Un factor clave fue un aumento significativo en la matrícula de estudiantes. La universidad lanzó una exitosa campaña de recaudación de fondos. They worked hard to control costs without sacrificing quality. They introduced new academic programs and strengthened partnerships. Trabajaron duro para controlar los costos sin sacrificar la calidad. Introdujeron nuevos programas académicos y fortalecieron alianzas. The impact of this financial stability is huge. It was about securing the future of the institution. El impacto de esta estabilidad financiera es enorme. Se trataba de asegurar el futuro de la institución. Now, let's learn some key vocabulary from the story. First word, progress. Progress is forward movement toward a destination or goal. For example, the university made great financial progress. Next, enrollment. Enrollment is the number of students registered at a school or in a course. For example, the increase in student enrollment helped the budget. Next word, budget surplus. A budget surplus is when income is greater than expenses. For example, a budget surplus allowed the university to invest in new technology. And our last word, fundraising. Fundraising is the activity of seeking financial support for a charity, cause, or other enterprise. For example, the fundraising campaign was very successful. Today's useful expression is, to turn around. This idiom means to change a situation from being bad to being good. In the story, we said the university had a complete turnaround. You can also use it as a verb. For example, with a new strategy, they managed to turn the company around. Or, the team was losing, but they turned it around in the second half. Great. Now let's check your understanding. I will ask a question, pause for a few seconds, and then give the answer. Question 1. What was the main good news that Wheeling University reported to the HEPC? Answer. They reported significant financial progress, including a budget surplus for the second year in a row. Question 2. What was one key factor that contributed to the university's financial recovery? Answer. One key factor was a 12% increase in new student enrollment. Other valid answers are successful fundraising or cost control. Question 3. What does the expression, to turn around, mean? Answer. It means to change a situation from being bad to being good. Question. What was the main good news? A. They reported financial progress and a budget surplus. B. ¿Cuál fue la principal buena noticia? R. Reportaron progreso financiero y un superávit presupuestario. Question. What was one key factor in the recovery? A 12% increase in new student enrollment. B. ¿Cuál fue un factor clave en su recuperación? R. Un aumento del 12% en la matrícula de nuevos estudiantes. Question. What does, to turn around, mean? A. It means to change a situation from bad to good. B. ¿Qué significa, to turn around? R. Significa cambiar una situación de mala a buena. Congratulations on finishing this lesson. You have practiced your listening skills and learned new vocabulary about business and success. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon so you don't miss our next story. Leave a comment below using the phrase, to turn around. We love reading your examples. Thank you for learning with us.